In a world where plants stops growing, crops fails, and life starts to disappear.
Surprisingly, the reason was something invisible: nitrogen. Although 78% of the air we breathe is nitrogen, some living organisms cannot use it directly. So how does nitrogen can be usable for life? So today, we're going to explore the nitrogen and the nature, also known as the nitrogen cycle.
Good day everyone, we are here to explain the nitrogen cycle, a vital process that recycles nitrogen in the ecosystem. The cycle begins with nitrogen fixation. In this stage, nitrogen gas from atmosphere is converted into ammonia by special bacteria found in the soil and in the roots of legume plants. Some events like lightning can also help fix nitrogen. This step is important because it transforms into a form of plants that actually use. After the nitrogen is being usable, we move to the next stage, which is the nitrification.
In nitrification, bacteria convert ammonia into nitrites and then nitrates. Nitrates are the most useful form of nitrogen for plants. Next is assimilation. In this process, plants absorb nitrates from soil and use them to build proteins and grow. When animals eat plants, they also gain nitrogen needed for their body functions.
But what happens if animals and plants die? That leads us to the next step.
When organisms die or produce waste, decomposers like bacteria and fungi break them down. This process is called ammonification. It returns ammonia back into the soil. Then comes denitrification. In this final step, bacteria convert nitrates into nitrogen gas, releasing it back into the atmosphere. This completes the cycle and keeps nitrogen circulating in the environment. But why is this cycle so important to us?
Nitrogen cycle is important because it has a key component of protein and DNA. Without it, animals, including us humans, cannot survive. For example, farmers rely on nitrogen-rich soil to produce healthy crops. So, if nitrogen cycle is disrupted, food production and our ecosystem will be affected.
The nitrogen cycle is not just a natural process. It is a life support system that sustains all living organisms on Earth.